The M1A1 Abrams tank is a main battle tank, MBT, developed by the United States and first deployed in the early 1980s. This tank is an evolution of the M1 Abrams, designed to replace earlier generations of tanks such as the M60 Patton. The M1A1 Abrams stands out with several significant upgrades that make it one of the most advanced and lethal combat tanks in the world. History and development. The development of the M1A1 Abrams began in the late 1970s with the goal of updating and enhancing the capabilities of the original M1 Abrams tank. This project was driven by the need for a more powerful, durable, and capable combat vehicle to face modern threats, including more advanced Soviet tanks. General Dynamics Land Systems was responsible for the development and production of the M1A1, focusing primarily on improving firepower, protection, and mobility. Armament. The M1A1 Abrams is equipped with the 120mm M256 smoothbore cannon developed by Rheinmetall of Germany. This main gun has higher firepower compared to the 105 mm gun used on the original M1 Abrams, allowing the M1A1 to destroy targets more effectively at longer ranges. In addition to the main gun, the M1A1 is armed with a 7.62 mm M240 coaxial machine gun and a 12.7 mm M2 HB heavy machine gun mounted on the turret. Protection and durability. One of the most prominent features of the M1A1 Abrams is its composite armor, which includes a variety of materials such as steel, ceramics, and Kevlar. This armor is designed to provide excellent protection against various threats, including anti-tank projectiles, missiles, and explosive devices. Additionally, some variants of the M1A1 are equipped with additional armor made from depleted uranium, offering enhanced protection against penetration threats. Mobility. The M1A1 Abrams is powered by a Honeywell AG T2500 gas turbine engine that produces 2,500 horsepower. This engine allows the M1A1 to reach a maximum speed of approximately 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers, on highways and 30 miles per hour, 48 km/h, off-road. The gas turbine engine also provides advantages in terms of acceleration and maneuverability, although it has higher fuel consumption compared to conventional diesel engines. Fire control and electronics. The M1A1 Abrams features an advanced fire control system, including a ballistic computer, laser rangefinder, and gun stabilization system. These systems enable the tank crew to achieve high accuracy in shooting, both while stationary and on the move. Additionally, the M1A1 is equipped with thermal imaging systems that allow for operations during day and night, as well as under various weather conditions. Variants and operational use. Since its introduction, the M1A1 Abrams has undergone several upgrades and modifications. Variants such as the M1A1 AIM Abrams Integrated Management and M1A1 SA Situational Awareness feature improvements in firepower, protection, and situational capabilities. The M1A1 Abrams has been used in various conflicts, including the Gulf War in 1991, where it demonstrated its superiority in combat against Iraqi tanks. Battlefield performance. The M1A1 Abrams was first used in Operation Desert Storm in 1991, where it showcased its technical and tactical superiority over Iraqi tanks, most of which were Soviet models. Armor and protection. A key advantage of the M1A1 is its Chobham composite armor, which offers superior protection against anti-tank rounds and rockets. This armor has been continuously upgraded with modern materials to ensure the tank remains relevant in contemporary combat scenarios. Amphibious and urban warfare capabilities. Although not designed as an amphibious tank, the M1A1 can cross shallow water bodies with additional equipment. The tank has also been adapted for urban operations with extra protection against IEDs and RPGs. Training and operations. Operators of the M1A1 undergo intensive training to master the various technical and tactical aspects of this vehicle. This training includes computer simulations, field exercises, and realistic combat scenarios. Logistics and maintenance. Maintaining the M1A1 requires significant logistical support, including spare parts, lubricants, and ammunition. This support system is designed to ensure the tank can operate at maximum efficiency in combat situations. Challenges and weaknesses. Despite its many strengths, the M1A1 also faces challenges, including high operational costs and significant fuel consumption. Efforts are ongoing to address these weaknesses through energy efficiency and design improvements. Future developments. Future developments for the M1A1 include integrating autonomous technologies and artificial intelligence to enhance effectiveness and safety. Next-generation tanks are expected to operate with fewer crew members and possess better combat capabilities. #Role in military doctrine. The M1A1 Abrams plays a crucial role in U.S. military doctrine, particularly in offensive and mechanized defense operations. This tank is often used in combination with mechanized infantry and artillery to create synergistic combat effects. #Participation in military exercises. The M1A1 frequently participates in joint military exercises, both domestically and internationally. These exercises aim to improve interoperability with allies and test operational capabilities in various combat scenarios. #Influence on the defense industry. The M1A1 Abrams has had a significant impact on the defense industry, driving innovations in armor technology, weapon systems, and engines. This tank also serves as a benchmark for the development of main battle tanks in other countries. #Economic impact. The production and maintenance of the M1A1 have significant economic impacts, creating jobs and driving the domestic defense industry. The program involves various contractors and subcontractors that contribute to the local economy. #Role in film and popular culture. The M1A1 Abrams often appears in films and video games, depicting the strength and reliability of this tank. These representations help shape public perception of the United States military capabilities. #Material innovations. The use of advanced materials such as depleted uranium in the armor provides extra protection against threats. These materials help enhance durability without significantly increasing the weight. #Adaptation to extreme conditions. The M1A1 is designed to operate in extreme conditions, including high temperatures in deserts and cold conditions in mountainous areas. Cooling and climate protection systems allow this tank to operate in various terrains. Conclusion. The M1A1 Abrams is one of the most renowned and respected main battle tanks in the world. With a combination of powerful firepower, excellent protection, and high mobility, the M1A1 has proven itself as a key element in the military strength of the United States and its allies. Continuous development and upgrades ensure that the M1A1 Abrams remains relevant in facing future threats on modern battlefields.